Hi, this is Shuvho. Today's in this video, we know how to set up Google Tag Manager on WordPress website. This is our new e-commerce website, and we connect this Google Tag Manager in this website. So at first, we say our Google Tag Manager is connect or not. So we go to the Tag Assistant, and it's a Chrome extension, and we can see our tag manager connect or not. It's loading, and we can see the no tags found. It's mean our Google Tag Manager is not connect this website. And this is another option. If we go to view page source and search there GTM, then we can see no result. So it's mean our website is fully fresh website, and the Google Tag Manager is not connected. Now the first step is go to Google Tag Manager and click here and copy this code and paste this code in our website head section, and we can do it very easily using a backend plugin. So we go to our website backend and go to plugin option and search a new plugin. So we need search GTM Kit and enter. Sorry, here we can add plugin and search here GTM Kit, and this is the plugin. So and we also another plugin GTM for WP. So this is another plugin. So at first we want to install it and activate. Then go to the setting option. Here it need GTM Google Tag Manager ID. So go to Google Tag Manager, and this is our Google Tag Manager ID. So we want to copy it from here. Copy and paste it here and save change. Again it's getting off, so we need to on and save change again. Okay, now come to our website and reload this page and go to our tag assistant extension and load this page. So here you can see our GTM is fully connected, and it also matches this ID. And here we can see the another option. If we want to view page source and Control F for GTM, you can see